Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2020 Kawasaki KFX50 kiddie quad for ages 6 and up, electric start. It's got a throttle limiter screw so you can make sure they don't go too fast, and it also has a pull cord in the back so you can cut the engine if things get out of hand. Beautiful showroom condition on this little kiddie quad. It was barely used. Come on by and make your little kid dreams come true for just $19.99. We have finance and we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.